Take a look at these successful YouTube channels. They're making thousands of dollars each month without ever showing their face. Brightside, over $500,000 per month from animated storytelling. 5-Minute Crafts, over $2 million per month sharing easy DIYs. Top Fives, around $30,000 per month sharing mysterious facts. Motivation Hub, earning over $40,000 per month with motivational speeches. The Relaxed Guy, around $10,000 per month posting relaxing nature sounds. These channels prove you don't need to show your face to succeed on YouTube. Today, I'll show you how to start your very own Faceless YouTube channel. Here's how you can start your own Faceless YouTube channel. Pick a niche. Focus on something that doesn't require a personal appearance, like DIY, top lists, or relaxation. Outsource tasks. Use freelancers to handle scripting, voiceovers, and editing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great for this. Create appealing thumbnails. Use tools like Canva to design thumbnails that grab attention. Upload consistently. Aim to upload videos regularly, whether that's weekly or even multiple times a week. Once you've set this up, your content will start to work for you and generate passive income. Now that you know the secrets of YouTube automation, it's time to take action. Start your own Faceless channel and watch your income grow. Want to learn more tips on how to automate your YouTube business? Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new tutorials. Drop a comment saying ready to start for a free checklist to launch your Faceless channel today.